59 divided by 5. Here 5 is a divisor, so we need multiplication table of 5. 5 times 0, 0, 5 times 1, 5, 5 times 2, 10, 5 times 3, 15, 5 times 4, 20. To find out the multiplication table of 5, just start 5 with the previous step. 0 plus 5, 5, 5 plus 5, 10, 10 plus 5, 15, 15 plus 5, 20. This process will continue. 5 goes into 5 how many times? 1 times. 1 times 5, 5. Subtract 0. Bring down the next digit, 0, 9. 5 goes into 9 how many times? 2 times. 10 which is getter, so 1 time. 1 time 5, 5, subtract 4. So 11 remainder 4. If you want to write your answer in decimal form, then take here decimal, add number of zeros. Bring down the first 0. We put the 0 there as a decimal. Decimal must come to the quotient directly. 5 goes into 40 how many times? 5 goes into 48 times. 8 times 5, 40. Subtract 0. So our answer is 11.8.